The 2020 Dodge Challenger 50th Anniversary Edition. The Dodge Challenger is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year, and Dodge is rolling out a special treat for fans of the muscle car with the Challenger 50th Anniversary Edition. The Special Edition Challenger is not a traditional standalone SE model. Instead, it is a special edition trim package that will be available in 7 different colors on 4 Challenger trim models: the GT RWD, RT Shaker, RT Scat Pack Shaker, and RT Scat Pack Shaker Widebody. Only 70 units will be built in each color for each trim. That adds up to a total of 1,960 units. The cost of the 50th anniversary trim will vary depending on the Challenger trim. Prices range from $4,995 to $5,995. It's hard to imagine the Dodge Challenger being 50 years old, and yet here we are, celebrating the golden anniversary of a car that's largely responsible for shaping and influencing the muscle car industry in the US. It hasn't had a continuous production run, there's a 25-year gap between the second and third generation models, but the Challenger is probably the only one of the 3 iconic muscle cars that remains largely rooted to its aesthetic origins. In any event, the Challenger remains hugely popular among muscle car aficionados. That much was clear when it scored a huge upset over the Ford Mustang when it outsold the Mustang in the third quarter of 2019. At least for one round, the Challenger ascended to the top of the muscle car mountain. If there was ever a time to commemorate the Challenger's impact in the muscle car industry, it would have been this year when the nameplate turns 50 years old. Exterior. The Dodge Challenger 50th Anniversary Edition is dressed to impress, and that's saying something for a car that rarely gets recognition for its aesthetics beyond the obvious retro-inspired looks. This time, Dodge made sure the Challenger 50th Anniversary Edition looks the part of a true SE. There are 7 color options to choose from, including Frostbite, Hellraisin, Cinnamon Stick, Tord, F8 Green, and Go Mango. But let's not mince words here. If you're going to buy the Challenger 50th Anniversary...
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.